What are the key elements of a fair trial? When we think about justice, one of the first things that comes to mind is the right to a fair trial. But what exactly does that mean? In the context of libertarianism, which values individual rights and limits government power, a fair trial is essential for protecting personal liberties. Let's break down the key elements that make up a fair trial. First, there is the presumption of innocence. This means that anyone accused of a crime is considered innocent until proven guilty. This principle is vital because it protects individuals from wrongful punishment and government overreach. Next, we have the need for an impartial and independent tribunal. This means that the judge or jury overseeing the trial must be unbiased and have no personal interest in the case. This impartiality is crucial for ensuring that justice is served fairly. Another important element is the public hearing. Trials should be open to the public, allowing for transparency and accountability. This openness helps prevent secret decisions made by authorities, which can lead to injustice. The right to be heard within a reasonable time is also essential. The accused should have their case heard promptly to avoid unnecessary delays that can infringe on their liberty. Prolonged uncertainty can be damaging, so timely hearings are a must. Additionally, the right to legal counsel is a fundamental aspect of a fair trial. Defendants should have access to effective legal representation of their choosing. Libertarians argue that this representation should be adequately funded, ensuring that everyone has an equal chance to defend themselves against government prosecutors. The right to present and challenge evidence is another key element. The accused must be able to present their own evidence and challenge the prosecution's case, including cross-examining witnesses. This process safeguards against wrongful convictions and abuses in the judicial system. Moreover, there is a prohibition on coercive or unlawful evidence. Any evidence obtained through torture or illegal means should not be allowed in court. This protects individual dignity and rights. Excessive pretrial detention is something that must be avoided. Pretrial detention should be rare, as it punishes individuals before they are proven guilty. This principle helps maintain the presumption of innocence. The right to a jury trial is also significant. When applicable, having a trial by a jury of peers provides a check against government power. It allows the community to have a say in the judicial process. Finally, equality before the law is paramount. All individuals must be treated equally in the judicial system, regardless of their status. This prevents discrimination and bias, ensuring that justice is accessible to everyone. From a libertarian perspective, these elements are vital for limiting government power and protecting individual rights. They advocate for reforms to prevent abuses, such as prosecutorial misconduct and disparities in legal representation funding. Supporting policies that allow defendants to hire their own counsel and capping the disparity between potential sentences and plea bargains can help maintain fairness in the system. In summary, the right to a fair trial is a cornerstone of justice that upholds individual liberty. By understanding these key elements, we can better appreciate the importance of protecting these rights in our legal system.